Warga Patisi TV.
Kum ka jingas no lang bat kari India barokoi. Hak ka jing rakhi ya ka lingko singka jong ukpa kari India u Mahatma Gandhi. Bat kum ka jing penkut ya ka swachta hi seva campaign ka Jowai Municipal Board. Ringkat ka jiatrai lang bat ka Jaintia Tribal Traders Association ka Dorbar Shnong Timpang Yau Musiang. Ka Market Committee jong ka Sengraj Jowai. Ka CNI bat ka laush up ki lapenkho ye ki jakayo ki badan hasor Jowai hak ka artarek urisau arajarapsan. Syuabani benta haka ni kejingpen koyo la pelong ya kejialang balingkon haka paka additional deputy commissioner jongka West Jaintia Hills District ka balongru ka chief executive officer jongka Jowai Municipal Board ka kong DV Lingdo u chairman ka municipal uba Pilan Darwell Lingdo u doloi ka ilaka Jowai uba Puramon Kenjing ki Nongshong ki Trai Dukan ki Nong Dimadan bat ki Nong Trai ka municipal.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.